These are my 5 DIY/budget tips. If you are an artist or want to start an art but in a tight budget, maybe this video are for you. Drawing board. This is my DIY drawing board. It is made of 3/4 plywood from an old cabinet. It is a little bigger than the one sold from the market, but the size is perfect for me. The height is not adjustable, but that's okay. It is also what I prefer to be. Other than saving money, you can also enhance your carpentry skill by making your own one. I also used an old cabinet holder so I can carry it whenever I wanted to draw in a different place. Charcoal powder holder. This charcoal powder holder are my inspiration from another artist that I saw from a mall when I passed by. This is also a DIY, made from the same material as my drawing board is. It is very useful if you are using a charcoal powder or pastel powder. Sketch pad. This sketch pad is my nephew's workbook. This workbook are from last school year. I used it instead of buying a new sketchbook because the back is clear and empty. You see, prices of art supply are getting high this nowadays. Lights. I have 3 kinds of lights that I use other than the ceiling lights. First is this USB LED light. This is a cheap, portable, and I can use a power bank to power it in case of brownout. I can remove the diffuser if I want a brighter light. I can also add tissue paper to make it dim and produce a warmer and calm light. The second one is the magnetic light or sewer's light. This is used mostly by sewer. It is magnetic and can be attached to the sewing machine's body. I also put a metal plate on my drawing board so I can stick this magnetic light above it. It is also very bright and very useful when making an art project. Camping light. This camping light are good for emergency. This is so bright that I can use it to light my room in case of brownout or power shortage, so I can continue my art project. This camping light can also be powered by power bank. Sign pin. Last is my disposable sign pin. This 3 sign pin are 15 years old. They can dispose after the inks run out and dry. But for me, I refill it again just by pulling the body that holds the tip of the pin and refill it with ink and return it again. Just make sure the tip of the pin is still okay because it got broken while using it for a long time. Bonus tip. If you're going to buy online, make sure that the item you're gonna buy are on sale. Always compare the item with prices and it's free shipping. Just like these 2 items that I bought. I hope you learned something. If you like the video, please don't forget to give a like. It's a big help for me. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. See you again next time.